Hey guys, I'm in Walmart. I went to the doctor to get blood work done, and I decided to come to Walmart. I had to get, I have to get a coffee maker for my daughter, and I'm looking at some candles. Yes, I'm in the scooter. Let's see how this smells. Get another candle. Okay. Riding around. I gotta get her a coffee maker. I think it's Al H51. So let's go to Al H51. Yep. I don't have to get no school supplies. Might be getting a 9-year-old girl today for a respite. Just for until Monday. Then I have another 9-year-old boy that's coming in Tuesday for just that day. For those who don't know, I do foster care. Doing it for a while. And I'm in Walmart looking for a coffee maker for my daughter. And I went all the way to the back. Go around. They got some books. See if I see a book I would want. I wonder if they got my aunt book in here. I'm trying to look to see. Just a girl from the Tompkins Projects. Cynthia Brown. She wrote a book, my aunt Cynthia. And I'm looking for it here to see if they got it here. I might have to order it online. Yep, I don't see it. I need to read a book. When I'm bored. But I don't see it in here. I will have to order it online. It's okay though, I'll get it. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna order it online. I do want to read a book though. Okay, let me go and let me see. Oh, this is cute. Look at these little outfits. It's cute. I don't have no little ones. All my kids are grown and out the house. Yep. It's just me. And when they call me for some foster kids, you know, those are my babies. Guys, I had to get out the house today. I was like really bored. If I'm not doing nothing, I'm bored. I like this nice shirt. It's cute. $11.98. It's nice. It's really nice. Where is these owls at? Okay, let me look. Got some book bags, little cups. I mean, those are not book bags. Those are lunch boxes. Cute little lunch boxes for the kiddos. I'm just going all on and on in circles. Where is the coffee pots? Okay. Home. I gotta be at home. I be here all the time. You would think that I know what I'm doing or where everything is at. Because I'm here all the time. I'm gonna go through this way. Riding in my little buggy, my scooter. I just came from this way. I don't know what I'm doing. Can't think today, I guess. I think it's in H15 here. I'm going the right way. I'm going the right way. Okay, H15. Or is it? No, I think it's in H51. That's where I think it's at. In H51, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go all the way down. 19. I hope they got some more. 20, 47. Okay, let me back up. Okay, that didn't work. And go down this way. You know, every time I come in Walmart, I want everything. I want everything. That's cute. Look at this. So nice. 22.98. Okay, 45, 47, 49. Okay. Here we go. H51. Okay, let me look at the one she wanted. I hope they got the one she wanted. Because I'm not spending a whole lot on a coffee thing. Here we go. Here we go. This is the one she wanted. Wait, is this the one she wanted? Yeah, this is the one she wanted right here. 19. This is a single. Nah. Okay. This is the one she wanted, guys. I got it. This is the one she wanted. Let's get that there. And that is $9.99. I don't think that's the one she wanted. You know, you get what you pay for. I don't want to be like that. Let me see. This is just a single. No. This one is 12. Because I seen them online. This is Mr. Coffee. Let me check out Mr. Coffee. Mr. Coffee, they got this one right here for 19. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get her this one. This is 1986. Hold up, guys. And this is the last one. I'm gonna get her this one. Hold on a minute. I'm about to drop the phone. I'm gonna get her this one right here. And I'm gonna put this one back. So this is the one I'm gonna get her. Not good at holding the phone and then video and all that, but this is the one I'm gonna get her. Okay. That's what I only really came here for, but my daughter wants some chicken. My youngest daughter. So can you buy me some chicken from Walmart? The cooked one. So I'm gonna go get her. And this one is cute too. Look. This is 1992, but I don't see no more. This is cute. This is the little one. Okay. Let me get from this Al. I got one for her. And let me see. I want to look around. I already got my little air fryers. This is nice. I got all my air fryers. I do not need no air fryer. Look at this. I got one of these already. what I want. I got this. This is the one I got. The juicer, I already got that one at home. These are cute. I just love my little appliances. Look at this. And I got like a Ninja too, one of these. Yep. I don't need none of these. Well, I do want like one of these. This is 111. I do want one of these for the house. I really do. But not today. This is cute too. Because I don't like using my oven at home. I don't. It's... Yeah, I'm going to have to invest in one of these. One day. Not today. Okay, let me go. Wait, they got some blenders. And I have a blender at home. See, I be doing too much. I need some more coffee makers for $12.89. I'll give her this one. Let me stop. I already got one. I got some of these, but let me get out this aisle. See how I be doing, y'all? I lose my mind when I come in Walmart. Especially for appliances like this. This is $18.99. I don't need that. What is this? Salsa dish? Oh, this is cute. Little salsa dish. It's $1.49. Oh. They're good. And this is the one that I picked up for her. Oh, this is $9.99. That's the little one. Which one should I get, y'all? This one or this one? This one is $19. And this one is $10. I ain't gonna be too cheap. I'm cheap, but I ain't that cheap. Okay. What I gotta get? Oh, let's go to the food. I like sheet sets and stuff, but I gotta come back and get the blankets and all that. And the sheet sets and stuff. I have to come back and get all that. I'm not gonna do that today. I be done leave out of here broke. I do need another kitchen table, but I seen one on Amazon for like $80 something. Cause I got the chairs, but the table I got is just I waste my money. They got some tables. These are desks. I already got my desk. Yeah, I already got a desk. My granddaughter need a desk for her room. They got the little couches and stuff. Let me get out of here. This area. Yo, I be in here like picking up everything and then get to the counter and that be all my money. Sad. Just sad. Do I need anything else in here besides that? I really only came just to get her coffee maker. Guys, I sent my dog to the country because I be busy with the kids and not really have enough attention, giving him enough attention, and he really needs that. So he's at my daughter's step family house. He's doing good. I miss him. I want him back. What is this? Shredded oil. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to get a shredder one day too, because I be having papers all over the place, especially in my room. All over. Okay, I don't need none of this stuff. Okay, let me go around. Guys, when I come here, I don't be want to leave. And then I feel bad when I spend all my money. I be like, dang, I shouldn't have went. But I don't have no money like that today, so I'ma just get what I come to get and leave. You know, I do need some pajamas, but I'll come back another time for that. See, I want to be a good girl today and just get what I need. That's it. Oh, candy. Why do they do this? And no, my fat butt do not need no candy, but look at this, the almond. Oh my God. Maybe if I get just one Almond Joy for $3.96. Oh man, why did I come this way? And the Mounds, I love Mounds. I think I'm gonna put the Almond Joy back. And I'm gonna get the Mounds. Cause I've been eating peanuts all day. My Mounds. For $3.96. Can't be going down these aisles with these sweets now. Cause you're bound to pick up something. Now I'm gonna go to the chicken where they got the already cooked chicken she wants. I need to get me a hoodie, but I'm gonna wait. They got some nice stuff for the kids. Look at these jeans, $7. $7. Nice. I need to come here and get me some stuff. Look at this sweet little, cute little sweaters, $14.98. Nice. All right. I don't get my fruit out of here. I used to, but you know, sometimes it don't be too good. I do need some fruit in the house, but I don't want to be disappointed. And they closed. Their chicken's part is closed, so my daughter won't be getting no chicken today. So guys, I do want some cucumbers. Look how they look. This is what I'm talking about. I'm funny when it comes to fruit. I'm real funny. So guys, I gotta call my daughter and tell her there's no food cooked. So I'm gonna get back to you guys.